Hi everybody, this is Mary. I'm coming to you with a live video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. So today's topic that I'm going to discuss with you today is how to get Facebook engagement. So if you're lacking in that department, you're not getting very many likes, comments on your post, and you're wondering why. Maybe it's because you're not putting out the right content, or you're not engaging like you should, or possibly putting up too many posts. Maybe your settings aren't set correctly. So today's topic, I'm going to show you my Facebook profile and exactly how I've upped my engagement and have gotten plenty more likes and comments and shares and getting my brand out there so people get to know me. And basically that's what you want to do with your Facebook profile, is set it up so that it is successful for you and so that you can put out great content and people are going to like it and they're going to be more interested in you. So anyway, this is my Facebook profile here, and as you can tell, I have a nice banner, helping others expand beyond unseen limitations is what I chose to put on my banner. Setting up your profile is a big part of your success with your Facebook. If you're promoting solely on Facebook, you want it to look professional and inviting and make it so it's interesting to people. So with Facebook and the algorithm, you want to make sure that you're putting out good posts and good comments and you're liking and you're sharing. This platform that I'm involved with teaches you how to do that, and in doing so you get better engagement and you get your content out there for people to see. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take you to my timeline and I'm going to show you what my posts were like before I started this platform and the results that I was getting. So here's a post, 51 comments, or excuse me, 51 likes, 14 comments. This one here, 5 comments, 1 share, 27 likes. This one only 6 likes, 1 comment, 5 shares. This is content I was putting out before. As you can see, 4 comments, 22 comments, 4 shares. It's all about what you put on your profile. Get it set up correctly. If you're using it for promoting your business, then you want your Facebook page to look professional. So that's why I changed all my settings. I don't allow people to post on my Facebook page anymore. I want my content relatable, inspiring, motivational, and I just want people to see who I am and what kind of content I can put out there, and I want it to inspire people. So this was for the month of May. I'll take you over here to June. June is when I got involved with this program. It's been around now for just a little over 2 months now. And I'm going to show you my engagement. As you can tell here, 50 likes, 30 comments, 285, 182, 181, 86. It's been pretty consistent. 197, 65 on that one. 340, 242, 292, 135. So as you can see, the engagement has been getting better. That one had 11 shares. And 21 comments, 2 shares. I'm going to take you down here to a post that I made. That one had 4 shares, 145 comments. Yes, it's all about the content you're putting out there and making it relatable. This one here, 379, 119 comments, and 18 shares on that post right there. It's amazing. I'm just totally blown away. What a difference by following a simple, proven, laid out platform, setting up your Facebook the correct way. This one here, good morning, Mary. How do you get so much engagement? This was from a member, a friend of mine, asking how I get this engagement. So I filled her in and she joined in. Now she's doing the same thing. 271 on that one, 5 shares, 101 comments. That one, 296, 110 comments, and 10 shares. That one's got some good engagement on it as well. As you can tell, I'm starting to get back down to where my engagement started building up again. So that was the month of June. As you can tell, this system works and it is producing results. So let's jump over here to July. $283, 337 comments, 3 shares on that post. 376 on that one. Live video I did. 649 views, 122 comments. Or likes and shares, 154 comments. And it just goes on and on. 133 on that one. 371 on that one. This is just 2 months in, and as you can see, my likes and comments and shares have been greatly increased by implementing this business role model that I have chosen to get involved with. 300 comments on that one. I'm going to take you down here to a post I did, which I was just blown away. This depends on the content you put out there, how much engagement you're going to get, and what your audience is looking for. So, computer's being a little slow here. There we go. It should be coming up here soon. 294 comments. 343 comments. 2 shares on that post. This is the post that I wanted to show you. I made this post back on July 12th. 774 likes, 623 comments, 47 shares. Check it out. That is amazing. It's one of my better posts that I've done. Just goes to show that my audience really enjoys that kind of content. So yes, with this program, you can increase your engagement. The program is called Successful Solution Method. And if you're wanting to know how you can increase your engagement, I will link the link down below. Feel free to check out my Facebook page. Go to the link, get the information on how you can do this. One post a day. Set up your profile correctly. Follow the steps on the training on how you can do this. In doing your Facebook profile, you want it to look professional if you're promoting a business, and keep everything nice and clean, and you're going to get more likes and comments and shares on your videos and your posts as well. So this is what I do. Successful Solution Method is the program that has taught me how to do this, how to get more engagement. And if you're interested, like I said, go to the link down below and get started with this program, and I'll be happy to help you get started. So with that, that is all I have as far as how to help you get your Facebook engagement set up and what to post and when to post it. So if you're interested, like I said, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell notification to be notified every time I upload another video. And I will get you hooked up and help you get your Facebook page set up correctly. And in doing so, you also, with this platform, are able to earn while you learn from doing all of this. So I will link my website down below if you want to earn money by showing how to get your Facebook set up correctly, making a post. This program is newbie friendly. It's so easy to do. It takes 1 hour a day. Set up your Facebook profile, make your post, get paid. People come to you. You're not chasing people down. This program is truly amazing. So if you want to take a look at it, like I said, just go to my link down below and I'll be happy to get you started. So anyway, with that, that is what I have to say about Facebook engagement. If you're interested, just get back with me and I'll be happy to get you started. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later.